Greetings, luminous souls. Today we're going to explore a transformative truth that has the power to revolutionize your existence. You are chosen ones, divine beings of infinite potential. Yet many of you are filling yourselves with trash, blocking the universe from infusing you with its boundless wisdom and energy. Let's start by understanding what it means to be a chosen one. You're not chosen by some external force or deity. You've chosen yourself at a soul level to incarnate on this planet at this pivotal time. You're here to play a crucial role in the evolution of consciousness. But to fulfill this role, you must first recognize and clear out the trash that's cluttering your mind, body, and spirit. What is this trash? It's the negativity you consume daily. It's the toxic thoughts you entertain, the harmful substances you put into your body, the draining relationships you maintain, and the soul-crushing routines you follow mindlessly. It's the low-vibration media you consume, the gossip you engage in, and the self-doubt you nurture. All of this is trash, and it's blocking your connection to the universe's infinite wisdom and energy. Think about it. Would you fill a sacred vessel with garbage? Of course not. Yet that's exactly what many of you are doing to yourselves. Your body is a temple, your mind a sanctuary, and your spirit a direct line to the cosmos. But instead of treating yourself with the reverence you deserve, you're polluting your system with junk. The universe is constantly trying to communicate with you, to fill you with inspiration, guidance, and cosmic energy. But how can you receive these divine messages when you're so full of noise and clutter? It's like trying to hear a whisper in a room full of screaming people. The message is there, but you can't perceive it.so. What's the solution? It's simple, but it requires commitment and courage. You need to empty yourself of trash. This doesn't mean you need to become a hermit or deny yourself all pleasures. It means becoming conscious of what you're allowing into your system and making choices that align with your highest good. Start by observing your daily habits. What kind of thoughts do you entertain most often? Are they uplifting and empowering or critical and fearful? What kind of food do you eat? Is it nourishing your body or slowly poisoning it? What kind of people do you surround yourself with? Do they inspire and support you or drain and discourage you? This process of self-observation might be uncomfortable at first. You might be shocked to realize how much trash you've been allowing into your life. But don't judge yourself. This awareness is the first step towards transformation. As you identify the sources of trash in your life, start eliminating them one by one. Replace negative self-talk with affirmations of your worth and potential. Swap junk food for wholesome, living foods. Distance yourself from toxic relationships and seek out connections that uplift you. Turn off the mindless entertainment and engage in activities that stimulate your mind and nourish your soul. Remember, this isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Every small step you take to clear out the trash creates more space for the universe to fill you with its wisdom and energy. As you empty yourself of lower vibrations, you naturally attune to higher frequencies. Here's a profound question to reflect on. If you were to completely empty yourself of all trash, all negativity, all limitations, what might rush in to fill that space? What dormant potentials might awaken within you? Now that we've identified the trash cluttering our systems, it's time to engage in the sacred practice of emptying ourselves. This process is akin to spiritual alchemy, where we transmute the base elements of our being into pure, cosmic gold. Begin with your mind. Your thoughts are the cornerstone of your reality. Notice the recurring patterns in your thinking. Are you constantly criticizing yourself? Do you replay past hurts or worry about future scenarios? These thought patterns are trash, cluttering your mental space. To empty your mind, practice mindfulness. Observe your thoughts without judgment, letting them pass like clouds in the sky. This creates gaps in your thinking, spaces of pure awareness where the universe can speak to you. Next, address your emotional landscape. Emotions are energy in motion, but many of us have emotional trash piled up from years of suppression. To empty yourself emotionally, allow yourself to feel fully. Cry if you need to, laugh uncontrollably, express anger safely. Emotional release clears space for new, higher vibrations to enter. Your physical body also needs emptying. It's not just about what you eat, but also about movement and breath. Engage in practices that promote physical release, vigorous exercise, deep breathing, fasting. These practices clear out cellular debris and stagnant energy, creating space for vitality and life force to flow freely. Now, turn your attention to your environment. Your physical space is an extension of your inner world. Declutter your home, your workspace, your digital devices. Let go of objects that no longer serve you. This physical emptying mirrors and supports your inner clearing. As you empty yourself on these levels, you might experience discomfort. You might feel vulnerable, exposed. This is natural. You're dismantling old structures that, while limiting, were familiar. Trust this process. The discomfort is temporary, but the expansion that follows is eternal. Remember, nature abhors a vacuum. As you empty yourself of trash, you create a powerful pull for something new to enter. But here's the key: you must stay empty for a while. Resist the urge to immediately fill yourself up again. Sit with the emptiness. Get comfortable with it. This void is fertile ground for miracles. In this space of emptiness, you become highly receptive. Your intuition sharpens. You might receive flashes of insight, creative ideas, or deep knowings. These are the universe's whispers, finally audible in the silence you've created. As you maintain this state of receptive emptiness, you'll notice synchronicities increasing in your life. The right people, opportunities, and resources will begin to flow to you effortlessly. This is the universe responding to the space you've created, filling you with exactly what you need for your highest evolution. But be discerning about what you allow to fill you now. Not everything that comes your way is meant for you. Use your enhanced intuition to discern what truly aligns with your highest good. Choose consciously what you let into your newly cleared space. Here's a powerful question to ponder: if you were to maintain this state of receptive emptiness for an extended period, what might the universe reveal to you? What latent gifts or abilities might surface? As we continue our journey, we find ourselves at a crucial juncture. We've emptied ourselves of trash, created space for the universe to fill us, and now we face perhaps the greatest challenge: sustaining this state of cosmic receptivity in a world teeming with distractions and lower vibrations. Imagine yourself as a pristine lake, reflecting the sky above with perfect clarity. This is your natural state when you're free of trash. But the world around you is constantly throwing pebbles into your waters, creating ripples that distort the reflection. Your task is to maintain your clarity despite these disturbances. One powerful way to sustain your divine flow is through daily ritual. Create a sacred practice that connects you to your higher self and the universe. This could be meditation, prayer, yoga, or any activity that aligns you with your true nature. The key is consistency. By engaging in this practice every day, you're constantly clearing your channel, making it easier to maintain your connection to the cosmic flow. Another crucial aspect is mindful consumption. Be vigilant about what you allow into your system. This applies to food, media, relationships, and experiences. Before engaging with anything, ask yourself, will this raise my vibration or lower it? Choose only that which uplifts and expands you. Cultivate an attitude of constant surrender. Many of us, even when we've cleared out the old trash, have a tendency to hold on tightly to our newfound clarity. But this grip can become another form of blockage. Instead, practice letting go moment by moment. Trust that as you release, the universe will fill you with exactly what you need. Embrace silence. In our noisy world, silence has become a rare commodity. Yet it's in silence that we can hear the universe most clearly. Make time each day for periods of silence. Turn off all devices, find a quiet space, and simply be. You'll be amazed at the insights and inspirations that arise in these moments of stillness. Practice radical acceptance. Often, what we resist persists. If you find yourself in a situation that seems to be pulling you out of alignment, instead of fighting against it, accept it fully. This doesn't mean you approve of it or want it to continue. It simply means you're not wasting energy resisting what is. In this acceptance, you often find the key to transcending the situation. Cultivate gratitude. Gratitude is one of the highest vibrational states we can achieve. When you're truly grateful, you're in perfect alignment with the universe's abundance. Make it a practice to regularly acknowledge all the blessings in your life, big and small. This attitude of gratitude keeps you open to receiving more of the universe's gifts. Remember, you're not meant to be a hermit isolated from the world. As a chosen one, your task is to maintain your high vibration while engaging fully with life. You're here to be a beacon of light, showing others what's possible when we align with our true nature. As you navigate this path, you'll face challenges. There will be times when you feel yourself slipping back into old patterns. When this happens, don't judge yourself. Simply observe, adjust, and realign. Each time you do this, you strengthen your connection to the cosmic flow. Here's a profound question to contemplate. If you were to maintain perfect alignment with the universe for just one day, how might that transform not only your life but the lives of those around you? In our final segment, we'll explore how to use your sustained cosmic connection to fulfill your unique purpose as a chosen one. Are you ready to step fully into your power and become a conduit for universal transformation? We've arrived at the pinnacle of our journey, the moment where your personal evolution converges with your cosmic purpose. As a chosen one, maintaining your divine connection isn't just for your own benefit, it's for the transformation of all. You are a cosmic catalyst, a spark of divine consciousness incarnated to ignite change on a universal scale. Your unique experiences, perspectives, and talents are not random, they're precisely calibrated tools for your mission. But to wield these tools effectively, you must first fully embody your highest self. Begin by deeply listening to your inner guidance. The universe speaks through you in subtle whispers, nudges, and synchronicities. As you've cleared your channel and sustained your cosmic connection, these messages have likely become clearer. Pay attention to what lights you up, what brings you joy, what feels effortless yet deeply fulfilling. These are clues to your unique purpose. Don't fall into the trap of thinking your purpose must be grandiose or world-changing in obvious ways. Sometimes the most profound impact comes from small, consistent actions aligned with universal love. Your purpose might be to bring more beauty into the world through art, to heal others through compassionate listening, or to innovate solutions to environmental challenges. Whatever it is, embrace it fully. As you step into your purpose, you'll face resistance. This resistance might come from within old fears and limiting beliefs resurfacing. It might come from others who don't understand your path. Remember, this resistance is not a sign that you're off track. It's often confirmation that you're aligning with your true calling. The universe often tests our resolve as we step into our power. Cultivate unwavering faith in your journey. Trust that you are exactly where you need to be, doing exactly what you need to do. This faith isn't blind, it's based on your direct experience of cosmic connection. Let it be your anchor when doubts arise. As you walk your path, remain open to evolution. Your purpose may unfold in ways you didn't expect. Stay flexible, ready to pivot when the universe guides you in new directions. Your journey is a co-creation between you and the cosmos. Be an active participant, but also allow yourself to be led. Remember, your impact ripples out far beyond what you can see. Every action you take from a place of alignment sends waves through the fabric of reality, affecting countless lives in unseen ways. Trust in this ripple effect, even when you can't directly observe the results of your efforts. Collaborate with other chosen ones. As you walk your path, you'll naturally attract kindred spirits, other awakened souls on similar journeys. Join forces with them, create communities, projects, movements that amplify your collective impact. Together, you can create change on a scale far beyond what any individual could achieve alone. Stay humble as you step into your power. True power comes from recognizing that you're a channel for universal energy, not its source. Remain in service to the highest good, not to your ego. This humility keeps you open, allowing ever greater cosmic energies to flow through you. Finally, celebrate your journey. Take time to acknowledge how far you've come, how much you've grown. Celebration raises your vibration, aligning you even more closely with the universe's joyous nature. Now, I leave you with this profound inquiry. If you were to fully embrace your role as a cosmic catalyst, holding nothing back, what might you set in motion? How might your complete self-realization spark a chain reaction of awakening across the universe? You are the one you've been waiting for. The time is now. Step fully into your power, chosen one, and let the universe work its magic through you.